Hello, I am going to be showing you how to speed up your system by adding RAM or random access memory to your system with using a SD card, which is a secure digital card, or a USB flash drive. This will add an extra cache to your system. Okay, so when you start, plug in your SD card or USB flash drive. I am using an SD card. It said autoplay. What you do is click on open, or you can click on speed up my system, but there's another way to access that for flash drives that are already plugged in, or SD cards that are already plugged in. So I'm going to click on this for now. Okay, so once you're in here, you have all your stuff. Yeah, just hit properties, go to ReadyBoost. Then you can change the size of the cache that you want to add. I'm just going to keep it as the default, what Windows recommends. And then click use this device and apply. Then hit OK. A ReadyBoost icon thing will appear. It's how big it is how much put it as. It really does take up space, so use space. I'm using a 2 GB SD card. Yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't know how big yours will be. So it won't actually add to the RAM that your system has. See, it says system, memory RAM, 3 GB. That's how much I had already. So, thanks for watching. Hope you like this tutorial. Bye.